While randomly scrolling through my phone, I searched on Google some misconceptions, myths, and problems between 10th graders. So, here I am busting some very common myths about class 10th. And if you guys can relate with the same, or if you find helpful, hit that like button, do subscribe, and share with your friends and family.
ये समझो अब तक तो तुम्हारा गोल्डन पीरियड चल रहा था।
ये था गोल्डन पीरियड।
हाँ, अभी जो समय आने वाला है बुरा तो उसमें है।
During my initial days in class 10th, people kept telling me class 10th is the toughest class. You have to sacrifice everything. You just need to focus on studying, no enjoyment, no fun in your life. And I was honestly so scared at first. But guess what? It's not, guys. It's just very much hyped up. Yes, you gotta study, stay consistent, and revise smartly. But once you find your flow, it's literally doable. I still had time for chill, including fun. For real, guys, the pressure is mostly in people's words, not in syllabus. If you ever feel underconfident, just write a diary, guys. It really heals. And now I started writing a journal, and which helps me so much. So write anything you want about the day in your journal. If I can cross 90 plus percentage being this much chill, then you guys can too. This was so harsh. Let's just clear this up real quick. 10th is important, but it's not true that it is the end of the world. That 10th बस हो जाए फिर तो दुनिया ख़त्म, फिर कुछ भी नहीं करना पड़ेगा, ऐसा नहीं है. Literally, I am an 11th grader and I have pressure of 12th now. Like, life didn't magically sort itself out after boards. You still have to work hard in 11th, 12th and beyond. Your dreams don't come true just because of one class. Chill, guys, focus on learning, not pressure. Trust me, your future is built on what you do today, not the one set of exams you pass, like 10th, 12th, or any competitive exam. You have to keep working. Honestly, I want to give you guys a better opinion, which is stay happy, guys. मैंने आज तक अपनी क्लास 10th में 10 घंटे नहीं पढ़ा था. टू बी ऑनेस्ट, मैं सबसे ज़्यादा अगर हम मैक्सिमम देखें तो मैंने 6 आवर्स तक पढ़ाई करी थी, even when boards were around the corner, because it was not needed. क्लास 10th का सिलेबस मॉडरेट टू डिफ़िकल्ट आता है, एंड ऐसा ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप लोग 10-10 घंटे पढ़ो अभी से ही. एंड अभी तो समर वेकेशंस चल रही है, एंड इवन इफ़ यू गाइज स्टडी एटलीस्ट 2 to 3 hours a day, it's more than enough. Just complete whatever is taught in your school or batch. In my class 10th boards, I bought a few reference books like Prayas booklet, all-in-one Arihant for SST English. I also got Educart sample paper books. बट ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग सारी मेरे को थोड़ी थोड़ी हेल्प करी थी. इंग्लिश के लिए ऑल इन वन बेस्ट है, उसमें सारे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस रहते हैं. एसएसटी में भी ऑल इन वन से ही मैंने पढ़ा था. इन साइंस आई डिड नॉट यूज़ एनी रेफरेंस बुक. आई यूज द एडुकार्ट सैम्पल पेपर बुक, जिसमें कि मैंने 2-3 ही सैम्पल पेपर करे होंगे उस बुक के. एंड इन मैथ्स आई गॉट आर डी शर्मा, but I had standard maths. I used to solve a few examples only. तो आर डी शर्मा के अगर आपको एग्जाम्पल्स करना है तो they are enough, more than enough. You have to read NCERT in each and every subject. In English, it's not that important, but it's good if you read it. Science में it's very important. Maths में if you have basic maths, it's quite important. But if you have standard maths, you can practice NCERT exemplar. And in Hindi, English, NCERTs, and in SST also you need NCERT. History के लिए NCERT is the key. बाकी इकोनॉमिक्स में आई वुड नॉट सजेस्ट कि NCERT पढ़ो, सिविक्स में भी नहीं. हिस्ट्री एंड जोग्राफी NCERT इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट.
सभे बाबा काइली जात पात में, माई के दिया था गाली बात बात में, पूरा देश के नेता लोग बर्बाद करता.
Language subjects are as important as your main subjects like science or maths. मेरे हिंदी में आए थे 87 on 100 which is the lowest of all marks, and इसी वजह से I was quite disappointed. पता नहीं मैं एक्सपेक्ट अच्छे कर रही थी बट चेकिंग में कुछ हुआ है या फिर मैंने गलत ही लिखा है, पता नहीं. बट आई गॉट द लोएस्ट, सो आई वुड हैव फोकस्ड मोर इन हिंदी. सो टेलिंग यू दैट यू शुड फोकस ऑन लैंग्वेज सब्जेक्ट्स equally as your main subjects because they also contain the same marks as the main ones. Honestly, 4am marathons are helpful for me and मैंने उन्हें लाइव देखा था, बट आप लोग रिकॉर्डेड भी देख सकते हो if you prefer sleeping. But I slept 6 hours in each board exam. Like I used to sleep 10 at the night and then wake up at 4 in the morning. Then I studied with the marathon. I used to revise my notes and then go to the center. मैं आपको बताना चाहती हूँ कि 4am marathons हेल्पफुल होती हैं बट उन पे कम्प्लीटली रिलाई करना इज़ नॉट गुड. पूरे साल भी आपको पढ़ना चाहिए. To be honest, these 1-month strategy videos, 3-month strategy videos, 5-month strategy videos, summer vacation strategy videos were not really helpful for me. Strategy आप खुद ही की बना सकते हो खुद. No hit to any teacher, but strategy खुद की खुद ही बनती है. I used to watch these full videos of every YouTuber possible, and then it could not help me in any way. So honestly speaking, you have to just focus on your level understanding and आपको जैसा समझ में आ रहा है, आपको जैसा पढ़ने में कंफर्टेबल हो रहा है वैसा आप पढ़ो. These strategy videos are just waste of time क्योंकि अपनी strategy हम खुद ही बना सकते हैं. You don't need to sacrifice anything for class 10th. One of the toppers in my school is literally my friend, and trust me, we didn't lock ourselves 24/7 to just study and everything. We laughed, hung out, scrolled memes, shared food, enjoyed our school life to the fullest. If you are consistent and smart with your time management skills, you don't need to sacrifice anything. This is a really big myth which I want to bust today. It's about balance. Class 10th is a journey which you have to live to its fullest.